Criteria of purity. How do we find whether a substance is pure or not? If the substance is solid, we can measure its melting point. Pure solids melt at their fixed melting point. So if the melting point is slightly lower than the normal melting point, it means it's not pure, because impurities lowers the melting point. If it is a liquid, the given substance is liquid, you can measure its boiling point. If it is boiling at its fixed boiling point, it's pure liquid. But if it's boiling at a temperature higher than its boiling point, it means it's not pure. Impurities increase the boiling point. ये याद रखना है. Lowers the melting point and increase the boiling point. The third method is chromatography. If you get a single spot on the chromatogram, it means the given substance is a pure substance. So you can apply any of these three methods according to the situation. Okay, what is given to you. How do we measure melting point? Melting point apparatus आपको पता होना चाहिए. You need a boiling tube, छोटी सी fusion tube होती है. You take the solid in that tube. You fill the tube with the solid and you fix it with thermometer and hang it in a liquid. Indirect heating कर रहे हैं, which has a boiling point high or melting point, which has a boiling point higher than the melting point of the solid. तो अगर for example the benzoic acid has a boiling point, a melting point of 122, तो we can't use water bath. Water का तो अपना temperature 100 है, वो 100 से ज़्यादा temperature ही नहीं आएगा. So इसलिए हमने oil bath लिया है इसमें. So we hang the apparatus in a liquid and we heat it. Right? The temperature of the liquid will rise, the temperature of the solid will rise, and when the temperature reaches the the melting point of the solid, the temperature will become fixed. The moment when the solid starts to melt, the temperature will stop rising and will stay constant till the whole solid has melted. That is the melting point of the solid. We'll repeat it 3 times to get an accurate result. ठीक है, concordant readings लेने के लिए फिर उनका average temperature हमारा melting point आ जाता है. If the solid is melting at a fixed temperature, it means it's a pure solid. उसका अपना melting point से match कर रहा है, it means it's a pure solid. But if it is melting at a temperature lower than its melting point, it means it has impurities, because impurities lower the melting point. ठीक है, remember, greater the impurities, lower will be the melting point. आइस को 0 से कम पे मेल्ट करने के लिए भी स्प्रिंकल सॉल्ट ऑन इट. इफ यू स्प्रिंकल सॉल्ट ऑन आइस, इट विल मेल्ट एट -5, -10 डिग्री सेल्सियस below its melting point. So impurities lower melting point. Remember, to find the purity of a liquid, we carry out an experiment to find its boiling point. आप distillation experiment भी कर सकते हो. You note down the boiling point of the pure vapors. So for example, if you are doing finding the purity of water, if the water is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius exactly, if it is distilling at 100 degrees Celsius temperature, it means it's pure water. But if its temperature it's boiling at a higher temperature, it means it has impurities in it. ठीक है, impurities increase the boiling point of a substance. Remember this. Or mixtures melt and boil over a range of temperature. They don't melt and boil over a fixed temperature. ये भी एक indication होती है. So key points हमने वही कर लिए. The purity of a substance can be determined by its melting point or boiling point. A pure substance has a fixed melting point, fixed boiling point, whereas impure melt and boil over a range of temperature. Impurities lower the melting point and increase the boiling point. ये याद रखने की बात है. Okay, let's do our questions related to chromatography. Dyes that are allowed in food colors, number 4 such dyes commonly used, वो उन्होंने बताई हुई हैं. X, Y, Z आपके food colors हैं. ठीक है, 3 tomato soup से लिए हैं उन्होंने, उनमें ये colors कौन सी dyes present हैं, कौन सी नहीं, ये देखेंगे. Why can water be used as solvent? Because the mixture is soluble. All the dyes are soluble in water. That is the only reason we are using water as solvent. अगर कोई भी soluble नहीं होता तो फिर हम use नहीं करते. Why must the pencil line on which the spots were placed above the level of the solvent? As I told you, the start line should always be above the solvent level so that whole mixture does not dissolve in the whole solvent. Otherwise, it will spread over the whole paper, making it unreadable. आप उसको पढ़ नहीं सकोगे, उस पे results differentiated नहीं होंगे, mixed हो जाएंगे सारों के results. Okay, which soup contains all 4 permitted dyes? Let's see. Look at X. X में E120 present है, बिल्कुल है. 122 भी present है, ठीक है. X में 162 भी present है, and 124 भी present है. So X contain all the 4 colors. ठीक है, X में सारे हैं. Are the dyes in soup Z legal? लेट्स सी, उसमें ये लीगल है कि नहीं है, Z का देखना है. Z में एक तो 124 प्रेजेंट है, 162 भी प्रेजेंट है, और हमारे पास 120 भी प्रेजेंट है, बट 122 इज मिसिंग. 122 इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन Z. ओके, सो अगर वो एलर्जिक टू 120 है तो 120 तो प्रेजेंट है इसके अंदर, तो वो he should avoid soup Z. Z अवॉइड करेगा वो, Y नहीं, Y he can safely take Y, but he should avoid soup Z and X. X में भी 120 प्रेजेंट है. So ये आपको मैच करके देखना पड़ता है which is present in where. Z में भी तीनों लीगल डाइस मौजूद हैं क्योंकि वो तीनों तो यूज होती हैं डाइस.